Hi friends, today we have to see how to create the projection view, and the last session we have to see how to create the database view. And thank you for my new subscribers and subscribe my channel. And let's see how to create the projection view. Okay, and you can go to the transaction code SC11. Now I am create the projection view. Okay, already I am created one database table for the projection view. This is my table, database table, which I created for the projection view basis table. Okay, this is my database table. Okay, let's go. Now we can create the projection view. Yeah, the name is already available, but I'm click create button. Okay, now you can click radio button for projection view. Continue. Yes. Now give the star description like projection view. Yeah, this is the basis table. I already showed the database table, like the same table name you can give the basis table. Okay, yeah, table name is the database table name, so I can give the same table name. Okay, now you can click the table fields, employee ID, employee name, employee subjects. This is the key fields. Okay, I select which I want to change, edit, delete the fields. Okay, so those fields I can click and copy. Now the fields is added for view fields. Okay, now you can activate a local object. Yes, my view is activated. You can see the view projection view is activated. Okay, yeah, this is my projection view, and you can go to the maintenance status. You can change the access for read and change, and you can change the data browser. Table view editing is day display maintenance allowed. Okay, you can save it and activate it. Yes, now you can go to the contents. You can go to the contents and execute it. Okay, those fields are available. Those fields you edit, change. Okay, the table fields was edit and change. Okay, this is the projection view. Under the changes will be available for the database table also, which fields you can edit and change. Those fields is changed for this table contents also. Okay, the employee, employee name, employee subject, which fields you can change, edit, delete. Those fields will be changed. Changes will be in database table also. Okay, this is the projection view.